ordinary entry-level welding is over. Defy convention. Go rogue. Built on a foundation of portable and affordable welders with advanced controls, the award-winning Rogue legacy grows. Meet the new Rogue MIG welders, Rogue EM 125, 140, and 190 Pro. With 3 machines to choose from, Rogue satisfies the diverse needs of light fabrication, maintenance, and DIY welders. Rogue's state-of-the-art inverter technology and digital control make welding easier and better. You'll enjoy precision digital displays, excellent arc starts and stops, a smooth, stable welding arc, more control over the weld puddle, and minimal spatter. Rogue proves that even a price-conscious welder can raise your game to the next level. Features such as arc dynamics adjust arc characteristics for a crisp, stiff arc, or a smooth, soft arc with reduced spatter, as well as improved bead appearance, especially on stainless. Rogue moves you beyond the ordinary, with controls that let you customize arc starts and stops, change polarity for flux cord welding, add a spool gun for MIG aluminum, using silicon bronze wire for MIG brazing or spot weld and stitch weld. The Rogue EM 190 Pro raises the bar on productivity, starting with ESAB's signature display and full suite of controls. Use its synergic MIG mode for fast and accurate setup, then enjoy the simplicity of one-knob control for welding thin to thick metal with an optimized arc. To complete the Rogue experience, ESAB includes a premium accessory package that features a Tweco Fusion 180 MIG gun and Victor regulator. If you're ready for a better MIG welding experience, you're ready to go rogue.